Hey guys, it's Nicole from Stillwell Ford, Unley. For all you guys that love four-wheel driving, we've got a fully loaded ARB XLT just behind me, loaded up with heaps of gear for all camping and four-wheel driving. So if you're interested in getting all these accessories, let's take a look and see what we've got. For all of those of you that like free camping and living out of your Ranger, let's see what I've got under this color-coded canopy. So in here, ARB have fitted all these roller drawers. So this one's got a kitchen with the stovetop and a drawer for the sink. On this side, you've got a full-sized fridge. So it's all powered through the car, or it's got a separate cord that you can plug it into if you need to. So in the rear drawer, you'll find the recovery jacks and the recovery kit, as well as a heap of stuff to repair your tyres on the road, including a compressor bracket, tyre inflation kit, and a digital tyre inflator. So through the side window on the canopy, we've got an ARB recovery kit just hiding in here. So ARB have also fitted this out with the awning that sits on the roof rack, as well as two ARB touring chairs that come with little tables on the side as well. And check out behind me, we've got the ARB Sky Dome Swag. So on the back here, we've got this rugged raw rear step, as well as a chrome tote ball. So stepping over here to the side, you can see that this Ranger is significantly higher than other Rangers on the road. It's been upgraded with suspension. So the suspension's been kitted with coil springs, nitrogen sports strut, front axle upgrades, leaf springs, and a sports shock absorber, as well as a urethane springs bush kit, greasable shackle kit, and fixed in kit. So the side steps are the summit steps section, and they connect up to your summit bull bar at the front. Tyres are Bridgestone 265/65/17s. So the front of the Ranger is where you really see ARB shine at their best. They fully loaded this up with the summit bars, the winch kit, intensity spotlights and floodlight, a recovery point, and a UHF radio antenna. So you saw the UHF radio antenna on the front, and it's got the receiver just inside sitting underneath your radio. So over on the driver's side, we've got the Safari snorkel over here and the tow mirrors. So heading up to the roof, we've got an ARB base rack, the LED light board, as well as two recovery boards with the recovery tractor fitted up to the base rack. The modifications underneath the Ranger are ARB under vehicle protection, chassis mounted dual battery system, and 140 litre diesel long range fuel tank. So I hope you enjoyed our walkthrough of our ARB Ranger. If you'd like us to go through any other accessories, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. And next time you're looking for a Ranger, come on down to Stillwell Ford Unley and we can fully deck them out for you.